Hello guys, welcome to another video. Now in this video we're going to be taking a look at the card widget inside of Flutter. So what does the card widget look like? Let's take a look. So this is how you create a card widget. You just do card like that and then you specify a child. Now, if you don't know what a card is like a material, design kind of thing. So you can take a look at it, and you can specify some colors for it. You have the card color, shadow color, elevation. We're gonna take a look at this as we go, but yeah. Anyway, so for the card, you could have a child of, for example, text. My card text, and then specify like this. Then we could do something like shape, and then I don't know, border shape. Shape. What the hell is shape? Shape border. Box shape, right? So we have this box shape, rectangle. No, it's a box shape. Okay. What is this? Shape border. Have rounded rectangle border. Circle border. So for our shape, we're going to use the rounded rectangle border, just like that. And now we can specify stuff for the border radius, for example, and we can do border radius or circular, or we could do side border side dot all. And here the circular, actually we have to specify something for the border radius, right? And inside of the border side, you could have border side like that. And let's take a look at the arguments if I'm going to see it. So it needs a color, a width, and border style. So we can give it like a width of 2.0, for example. So this is set in the shape of the card, by the way. So if I do hard reload, you're gonna see what the card is gonna look like. You can see it looks very ugly right now. But if I take away the shape, this nonsensical shape that I created, you're gonna see that it's gonna look a lot better. Still doesn't look too good because I didn't put some padding inside of the child. So most of the time when you create your what is this? Right. Most of the time when you create your card, you have to put some padding as a child. So padding of that padding, just like that, and then that's all 8.0. And now you can save, and the card should look a lot better at this point. So if I'm able to save that, I hit hot reload, you're going to see that the card now looks better. I'm also going to change this to light mode, so you can see it a little clearly in light mode, and that's what a card looks like. Of course, I could also change this. Instead of having this padding here, I can decide to use something like, I don't know, like a row or something. If I can do that. I don't know why this is straight. Let's get out of my face. Anyway, so that is that. I can put like a column here. That's what I'm trying to do. Wrap this with a column. It's not working though. Alright, there it is. I want to put like a Flutter logo here. then remove this, and then put constant here, and there we go. Okay, we could have const there, and with that, if we do hard reload, what is this? We're gonna see exactly what this looks like here. So you can see that all you just have to do is specify some child of the card. You can specify a color for your card, by the way. So color the purple, for example, and specifying purple as a color. Let me save that, and then do hard reload. You're gonna see that the card color is now going to be purple. You can also set some other things, for example, margin. So, you know, I don't know, you can specify margins for the card. Let's see what the margin looks like. There we go. Right. So we also have shadow color, elevation. We've taken a look at the shape border before, and does the border show on the foreground or on the background? You could do that, and a bunch of other things like that. So that is all you need to know about card inside of Flutter. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.